What's good, YouTube? It's your boy X back today with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be going over a little bit of problems that y'all be having with CPNs. So the number one problem that I've seen so far is people cannot get their CPN Trimerged. So this is one of the most important steps. If you do not have a good Trimerge on your CPN, then you only gonna have like 1 or 2 scores. You need to have a score with all 3 bureaus, and this is how you do it. So the first thing you need to do is pick your CPN number. So you go to stevemorris.org/SSN to pick your number. Go here, look at whatever state you are in, and try to choose a number that's not issued. So then after you do that, you have to verify it, skip trace it, go to Coast Tradelines or skip trace it, $20, right? So boom, once you get your number, then this is the most important part. Public records and the Trimerge. This is exactly how you Trimerge your CPN. Now, the first thing I will tell you, do not try to do hella applications that pull your credit from all 3 bureaus. If it says hard pull, you don't really want to do that many applications. I only do 1 application that's a hard pull. This is the first application I do. I come to Discover and I put all my information in. Every time I do an application, I use the same exact information every single time. So boom, I go to Discover, type in all my information, and it says right here, won't impact your credit score. No impact to your credit score. No impact to your credit score. This is what you're looking for. Find as many applications like credit cards, other furniture websites and shit like that. Look for as many websites that says no impact to your credit score. Even some loans have this shit. You want to do up to 20 of these accounts before you even try to get into Credit Karma, right? So I do these 2 first, and then I start going to like furniture websites and do these applications. Now, right here it says last 4 of your SSN. This is how you know you're green. If it says last 4 of your SSN, you want to do that application. But if it asks for your full social, don't do that shit. It's gonna give you a hard pull, and then your credit's gonna be fucked up. Because when you go apply, you don't want to have hella hard inquiries. You only have 1 or 0. This, if you follow this method right here, it's gonna give you 0 hard inquiries. Now, right here, you go through here, finish this application. I go to Wayfair as well. It says it won't affect your credit score. This is what you're looking for every single time. Now, the one hard pull I do is Chase Freedom. Chase Freedom pulls from all 3 credit bureaus. So I do the Chase Freedom card, and it gives me my hard pull. After I do about 5 to 10, up to 20 pre-qualification applications and 1 Chase application, then you're good to get into Credit Karma. That's how you get into Credit Karma.